Hello and welcome to my channel. So today the weather is so boring. It has been raining from yesterday night, so it is still raining. So I just finished my shift and I'm going home. I'm already hungry, so I always take subway train to my last station. I'm hungry and I see these things on the way, so I feel more hungry. So I'm rushing back home. One thing I like about Japan is the train is always on time. You might be late but not train unless some accident occurs. So I reached Tennoji. It is raining more than Namba, so my work station is Namba, so rain is raining heavier in this side. Finally I reach home and I want to wind down, so it's raining, so I feel like drinking warm milk tea, so I think I have to make it shortcut. So one thing that I would like to do while there is rainfall is I always like to have warm beverages while watching rainfall. So I always want to do this. So I'm like I do self-reflection and think about the good thing always and relax and wind down slowly. So in my veranda, I have planted some onion and strawberries. So it's about to get ready, especially strawberry. Not many, but 2, 3, 4, I guess. So I have only this much for you guys this time, and see you in my next video. Bye.